Quadratic equations. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. It means it goes 24 km upstream and then coming back to the same position, traveling 24 kilometers downstream, right? And for traveling 24 kilometers upstream, it takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometers downstream. Let the speed of the stream be x kilometer per hour. Speed of the boat 18 kilometer per hour. Speed of the boat upstream, when it is going up, speed of the boat will be reduced by the speed of the stream, and when it is coming down, the speed of the boat will be 18 plus x. Speed of the stream is added to it. You know that force is a vector quantity. When they are in opposite directions, it will be subtracted, and if they are acting in the same direction, it will be added up. Time is equal to distance upon speed, and it is given that time to travel 24 kilometers upstream is equal to 1 hour more than the time taken to travel 24 kilometers downstream. So 24 upon 18 minus x, that is the time taken to travel 24 kilometers upstream, that is equal to 1 plus 24 upon 18 plus x. Now bringing 24 upon 18 plus x to the left hand side, we get 24 upon 18 minus x minus 24 upon 18 plus x is equal to 1. The difference between the timings will be 1 hour. Taking 24 as a common factor outside for the simplification purpose, 24 into bracket 1 upon 18 minus x minus 1 upon 18 plus x is equal to 1. Now taking 18 plus x into 18 minus x as the common denominator, we will get a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, and it will be cross multiplied here. 18 plus x minus of 18 minus x, that becomes 18 plus x. 18 and minus 18 cancelled. Inside the bracket you get 2x upon 18 square, that is 324 minus x squared. 24 into 2, 48. 48x is equal to, you have to cross multiply here, minus x square plus 324. Now bringing all the terms to one side, we get x square plus 48x minus 324 is equal to 0. X square plus 48x minus 324 equal to 0, either by quadratic formula or by splitting the middle term. We can simplify this. In this, a plus b is equal to a plus b. Sum of the numbers will be plus 48, and product of the two numbers must be a into b, that is minus 324. Now finding the factors of 324, we get 2 into 162. Now since the product is negative, we will find the difference between the numbers, that is equal to 160. I have to get actually 48. Now 3 is also a factor of 324. 3 multiplied by 108. The difference between these two, 105. I have to get 48. Now 6 is a factor of 324. 324 is equal to 6 into 54. The difference is 48. So these are the factors of 48. I am going to put 54x minus 6x. That will give you 48. Now from the first two brackets, I can take x common, and from the third and fourth terms I can take minus 6 common. X into x plus 54 minus 6 into x plus 54 is equal to 0. Yeah, to note one thing, these two brackets should be same, x plus 64 and x plus 64. So x plus 64 is common, so x plus 54 into, from the first I get x, from the second I get minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to, here we get the product of two linear equations, and it is equal to 0 if the first linear equation is 0 and the second linear equation is 0. If the first linear equation is 0, that means x plus 54 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to minus 54. And if the second linear equation is 0, that means x minus 6 is equal to 0, that is x equal to 6. X is equal to minus 54 is rejected since the speed cannot be negative. Therefore, the speed of the stream is 6 km/h.